Our clients are available morning, afternoon, or evening, so we have to be ready to support them. Aggie has definitely become a critical part of our team.
Real estate is a very competitive industry.
You're always juggling 12 different things at the same time.
Social media is not my expertise.
We turn to Aggie specifically for the ability to get time back to make sure that we're generating the right type of content at the right time. Just a few clicks, Aggie's intelligence, push content to our clients has just been critical for us.
Aggie creates beautiful carousel captions, and everything is completed in just a few moments.
I don't have to worry about, was I supposed to send this post today? What was I supposed to do for tomorrow? It's right there laid out for me.
Working with Aggie's customer service, one-on-one support, we have a dedicated partner.
We get feedback all the time from our clients. Pictures look beautiful. The description looks great. Can't wait to come see it.
Aggie gives us amazing results, and we do not have to pay for an agency or an assistant. We love the business. We love our clients. We love meeting new people, and we're really passionate about real estate. Aggie allows me to do what I do best.